Yewobia akwaba Coastal TV morning mix jumedie na uguswa wohwe and ebinada the 9th of June 2026. Yakwa kodi nkomo hwehwam ede aba anti gifty ede akọ achamefo academy akwa kodi nkomo aba na yeba betwa jumedie no eso na meka che say yensa kan de ubon krata wo fi ase ese na fata se yebobo so ama anope say wentimi antie news na list we a second chance wetimi ehu ne ekoso ewo Ghana afana nyina nti bomodin na one ye entina anope krata ya de be share ase no every daily graphic for akachi krata no free daily graphic for akachi na I say Central Refinery processes Jubilee crude oil. Iye ni say no aban no ayenhihye bia eba beboa ama Ghana yankasa ye oil a yetu ye gold a yetu ene ye cocoa ebetimi aye hu edi hu dwuma e Ghana ansa na ye de akọ adwaman so akọ akoton na sa hihye no ahya ase pa ne senti ena Central Refinery oil refinery company omo Ghana has say a Chinese company but they are located in Ghana has say na omo na say no omo ba be sha say na omo process into first batch of barrels of oil ye two free Jubilee company no hono omo de akọ handi over the ama Central Refinery say omo ankasa endane no omo ensone so enyi yim the addition and subtraction na omo fan count say na ebere ya say the kwa adwaman so na yakọ akoton a ebo no ebekọ anim since ye the raw material raw oil raw ne sa ebekọ okay omo pan John Dramani Mahama infoni da ha say na say President Mahama secures 1,840 agri equipment packed with Belarus na me kind in Shemuno ena or kase Ghana aban ene aban a ewo Belarus omodo monsa shekrata bi ase a ebeboa esan se wo hwe Belarus hona omo wo manufacturing prowess omutimi manufacture agri manufacturing equipment near machines ahodo a ye de ye kejuma no omo obi pa na Ghana yenso so ye wa asase yantama ye de ekejuma ye wa asase a ewo ene honey ewo ni honey e flow nti no ye dua de a ye pa na ebeboa so am ye ekejuma na ko enimu nti omo no mba be supplier we star machines ni equipment no na yenso ye de aye ekejuma nti sanete nti omo de omo ye manufacturers na yenso ye producers sanete nti sa contract no nsema ewomu enono GRA engages business communities over ITAS rollout. GRA Ghana Revenue Authority for the jumediation could be be sha say Ghana has say na nidi ITAS intino as I say omunko business by business community by community na omonye sensitization education so be abeti ase because I china nko ba na we do this kind of cement ase a na yekoya na yeba nti eno so se ne nsema ekoso ewo GR4 akache nti daily graphic anopay ne dia ode aba eni anti gifty the BS of ne yakoya
there's only sister mo kan fa so finchu
men fa bro fun me say no
men fa bro fun be say no fantel you know what I mean
I get what you mean
Charlie Benny we check the guys on fantel upon na no ha job ka de not
and of course my friend akọ
asam ko no Charlie fantel wa ba serious
mate
asam ko no owo the Ghanaian Times
okay
na Jubilee Ghana processes Jubilee oil locally is good news. I like it, and I like where you are coming from. Positive, but as a so the Hawk newspaper also the Oshaso 30 million trees to fight deforestation. Now no matter good news another today.
So news nankasa they good news.
I am interested in that because just as we are now processing oil crude oil from Jubilee, just one company no will process once in a whole. AFIBA, but the truth is that we have so many exports. If we should learn to add value to my now, I'm telling you, you have problem with unemployment. There was so much in South Africa, but South Africa for anyone at danger. Because South Africa, okay, hairdressing and no corners. I hope it's my but some into other I think that once you do it's better one standard of living now. Although to Kwanoko, but if we should learn to do some of these things about the Asha say oil nazina, but I'm particularly interested in Tracy because you do the 30 million trees. Yeah, so
this is the first time.
Millions of trees.
Since 2021.
Millions of trees. Now you get what I'm talking about? That is it.
And it's money. It's a lot of money.
I can't think far. Mentase, mentima area nasi. Ye jiji 30 million siko. I mean, I boka kan. Inti dam parampara de duano so 30 million na. Na so also 30 million na and then the young no home for so. Ghana. The thing is, ye duano so na this one alleged man margin 30 million and so that to do. The 30 million impose 30 million. So you will trade about 30 million. Into what are we doing, Josh?
You call EPA Central Region and market World Environment Day, no Environmental Day, no. And maybe sir, paying for not director and cast out, no, me acting director. Na maybe so we say inti Indiana you since time immemorial na sha say India ye dear e cha sam na say say what do we do afterwards and I catch me say community in fact say be abra community and na mo ba no be dua na o mai designated people a on be hwe say nua no so say school they leave it for the school authorities, so they are in charge of the watering, of pruning, of weeding around it, everything. So, inspection and so. From time to time, inspection. Okay, Indiano, a cost and here say a day chemical anything at all. Indiano a bit ye. After that, no, my handing over a community, no, and also say school community, and a baby. Omuko dua no my hand over man paying for say no dua na dey ahye wonsa we come again e ba be check it na emom say e ba na e be check it because e dey ahye wonsa ntino say bibia kochema ye be holding more responsible nti sana Central Regional EPA paying for e ma mete ase in fact mini crew ni e call ho no omu cheche mu me ete ase say okay say ni na ye omo ye
now why evaluation the way we did them as no worker I always say I may be wrong, but one way then you want to make someone else responsible. You get it? Because but one now right from the word go no, they own the project. In general, one would one sort of but one of four baby will be dear. No, I can I
think they engage authorities, those who are in charge. Would say Enya EPA nkwa na yes yende wo na ye and when we come no can program na say protecting the environment is a core mandate for every individual, every Ghanaian. It doesn't matter baby a wo free ni baby a wo te enka say dua na nsi me nchen no so obi twa me nka ho hwe dey bi but nyina ya said ye
nti wo so wo dua ho nyina no wo dua the community na wo
dua yes na nanom wo ho say school paying for no wo ho the students no so ho ni achi say dua not because EPA for any omodwuma nti na omoba beye enye EPA for edwuma na omoba beye ye nyina ye mandate as protecting the environment nemum EPA for ne di enim nemum ye nyina ye ka ho ni nyina mombra ni ye dua no ewia ni esan so e de ahyemwa modua no monsa aba na to dua no ba dua no problem but mo ena e wasa de se mo behwe amadua na ni san say country ni nyina ye dia
that's but I have my challenges with this kind of method anyway, okay, but that's me. And when me feel there if awareness is created, enough awareness, man kofuna kasampo, a man for no community, no akaso for the when you dua. Then the mazi na yata say when the last tree dies, the last man dies. Inti oyen na saze. One person when church they are well educated nazi abanon ko bo hu kompo dem ko hwehwe dia some catch on them 30 million or years ago or years ago be work for what be akoko atasa name community they own it one person wa ko hwehwe won dia no benya well but okay in the world environmental day no I mean na mempanyfo ya be the mazi right from the word go word go they own it one kasa no you want to move on nazi. Maybe we'll invite EPA. One bush after year. No, quite a fekeke. Wow, this a community here. You would dear 2,000 pieces. You would dear. It's Indian. You're for the Indian. Yeah, so I have something about the Indian. But in some of these cases, EPA. What's marketing Robinaz? People feel like, oh, EPA from Ejuma. Just like the baby I can. Obviously, we are to form a Zoom line from Ejuma. Oh, EPA, you bet to me, but when within the community, no, is well engaged right from the word go with non-cost and non-coffee. Or your mother, I think it's a better way to go. But I'm a mom, honestly, and again, it's me. I'm sick and tired of hearing 30 million trees being planted, 40 million. It could even be 100, whatever, 1 billion trees. What are we doing with these trees? And now the general cordon, there is a galam say, Mama fancy her. That will be for that day. But that's what I want to share. The hawk. Now Ghana brings home nearly 1,000 evacuees. I don't know what you think about this. The South Africa was there. I just don't know whether they wanted us to see them being killed and sana. Is
it a dear Osha ebe go in no? Is it in Chaso? You two are say. First, man can say you are no Chaso. Is it in Chaso? You two are new roots in if you assassin near to watching. So you will not see the ends now and share any high say. I don't know more. You know, it has not gotten to the point of life and death.
Certain one foreign minister, also the minister more Ken or Yakoshi.
Also, currently, with the recent xenophobic attacks now, of course, now foreign minister can't move no that record no is they have a long history of xenophobic attacks. It's not confirmed it was in the past, but currently nobody has died.
My point is interesting. It's look at listen to
foreign
yourself.
Minister, foreign affairs minister.
On your diplomatic, I'm not there, but this it's also in the hawk. Nigeria mobile data among top 4 cheapest globally, says MTN CEO. If they have data, nobody has in power.
Yes.
I feel, but why are we not talking?
We are talking, but nobody is listening.
Hey, are we talking enough?
Maybe
are we making noise? So I mean, meaningful noise.
We are talking, but nobody is listening.
It's too expensive.
MTN too is running more or less like a monopoly in Ghana here.
They're chopping our money. Sometimes they even steal from us. You want to buy the thing, you don't get the data.
And your money is deducted. It has happened to me before.
Nobody is talking on our behalf.
It has happened to me before. And Yankasa ye state owned with Telecel 80 Mona and Anke per se integrating into the system. I don't know. Omo Boshi, into Omo network and Zumbo and Boshi. In the Abanisana, at the end of the day, we still rely on MTN. So any treatment beyond the Bema, say we don't have an option, so we take it like that.
No, we won't take it like that.
We don't have an option, so we take it like that.
You don't go sit down, make them cheaters every day in the middle. Rolling Time Revolution, no. No, was it? Ghana first, we don't go sit down, make them cheaters every day. Ghana workers, so what's the leaders now? We cheat one hour, we don't go sit down again. Empty, we don't go sit down. A punny the baby I'm about Makana Watsi, please. One day, go to Nigeria, go to other countries, much better. Oh, yeah, the man for tomorrow, one research. Why, yeah, once through buying the data, no one's you people, you are ripping us off in Ghana here, as some other way.
As if the for women in leadership newspaper.
I love that.
And also emphasis na Mame Elizabeth Ofosu Ejare, trade minister. Na Nimfonyi da has said, no, say trade minister calls for value addition as Ghana begins local refining of Jubilee crude. Na and tama no omo handi over barrels of oil ediama Sentio refinery no na trade minister ohobi. See picture no okita Caesars nimu bi ona ejina minister of energy enchen wana na omutwa ade we reference Caesars tape omutwa tape no na ne kasa mu na ochemu say ye value addition wa Ghana ha say yankasa ye bedane ye niema ye raw materials na ade no na ye ne sa no mum na say ye de call edwaman so enu mum na ye. And only the best way, and the best thing to know there, or your for value addition. Yemfa and running count.
The baby say when Mbebunu they are crying for no jobs, Naza. Oh no, sometimes they bonnet my I am your kakra because then we feel that yen time no, yan winning in ye cheering say ye create space in there. Okay, says ya ye best made in Ghana shoes. Look at the jobs that this one says ye import ama is very easy cry ye import.
Yes.
Ninchi ye import. Nina ye import. But na jobs are entina say ye look at there. We want to add value to young primary materials. Young in Zama produce of cocoa and all these things are they are jobs. Why are we not doing that? Young baby we school obi we na masters or fear. First degree and a class what return. AFIBA, I'm telling you on your story, it's happened in this country. Even Bessie, Edgeman, why are ready for you? Cars or return, you know? It's not like that anymore. It's a thing that young leaders order by this time. No, what's the sun cover windshield? Where we went wrong. At least to reduce that unemployment baby
yeah,
but because what is in it's not a work so that is that.
Yeah. Okay. Government activates border surveillance, isolation systems to guard against Ebola. Deputy Health Minister Grace Ayensu Dankwa ena okasai na nekasa mu no ochimi se aban no e de hihye egu akwan mebebo ama Ghana ye border no so no security ebe koso wo hopa security mu oden ebe koso e wo border no sense say no Ebola e ni tibie mu okọ be tete DR Congo dia ano odin wo ho na yem pese sa how no ebi be fire border no so abaye mamunti na ban se odi nyema egu akwa mebebo ama security no akoso e wo border no so musan so ye isolation systems it is unya fa border no na obaye o se ye steady kakra say COVID-19 time ye be check o temperature e hwe na say e wo sure quarantine.
That is where people chip in this even as they are protecting their borders to make sure that Ebola on slip through. We should be giving the education so that people are aware that what Ebola, this is what it means. Even the man to within the shortest possible time now. So it's not enough just protecting our borders. The citizenry should also be educated. They should create enough awareness there. What even causes it? How do we prevent it? Now, it's really very important to put this one in place. But there's one topic our women in leadership make up because all these home common. Yes, doctors don't buy beds. Fati Abubakar. So you know why she's former Cautions Health Minister Akando. You know why she's saying this, don't you?
With the no bed syndrome, nana.
Yes, Kumasan sumo way so on confanachi.
Yeah. Almost CEO no ya suspended no.
In instruction or Omaya was suspended on Hono.
Or can they
one emergency, not today. Why are overloaded? They are overstretched. Now, not today. Mama won't continue with
admission
services.
Emergency ward.
Because no, I don't know whether you've been to. I don't want to mention any emergency, but Ghana any emergency or or horrible.
Me ankasa me nko
emergency. In fact, I wouldn't even advise it because you are supposed to be given an emergency care, you know, treated if order was ward and was or day we treat for emergency. Okay, what discharge. So that's how emergency works. It said that both my test na now but no emergency whatever na obiti got woman drape. It's horrible. Most see foam hotna if one most stench most not na and yara let's open snail and your book of okay, and you can imagine that was the situation. Now, open we knock at okay, won't hold on, won't halt the wobber mark of alcohol. No, I catch Minister catch and there, okay, you are suspended. On your CEO. Instead, doctors was one argument. Says, yeah, midwives was one argument. There's a what's it, or you're suspended because on your CEO over there, the man the money muti. On no bomb Maya Sabia Mushadi. That's it, was suspended, and only na. It's young Beshim.
So, Sister must suspend. What's the way forward? Is there an alternative for this emergency ward situation? No. Because you just suspend the person without any solution at all.
The thing is, all instructing on a what makes him a leader? Leader, you know, take responsibility for every situation, decision you overtake. It was his decision. Oh no, that is the situation. See, this is the instruction. Mama, so I'm the instruction. Let's say one you feel there. I will as a minister one another. You don't publicly and now openly. Okay, you are suspended. This I think I see it as the flex. Okay. Show of power, you get it. That's why health workers, medical doctors, nurses, midwives, and all feel they know. It's not right. So CEO power of not try and the much no be because of my direction. But Maria Kena and me there, minister be what's it in Kumubi Akodo, a central minister Wakuma. Yeah. And see, I hope that was the year to ye, but I mean, me feel the health delivery of our country and your leaders know. One should ye kaka, one should be kakra. One should be kakra na on quay. It is a opinion with room ho. No one the more cording, no wa instruct the dumb, no cordona. Say, hey, and the man will be ya. One china so publicly dumb. Say, feel the one quay ya. Uncle Chrome, no connected. Oh, opinion, the me, a kind nine, no, no more to fund the mea in Jemu. But it was, I mean, we feel that it was too much. It's a record that was still women in leadership and also violence against nurses. Then threatens healthcare delivery. I mean, the nurses, no, ma better one health workers, no, so she who midwife be papa no or abusing, no.
I don't know what at all will cause somebody to do. I mean, who call hospital also call healthcare. Who abuse the health service provider now? How are you going to get the healthcare that you want? It doesn't matter your reason. Whatever it is, you don't in a security zone like a hospital. We don't do that.
Now, said the patient in Pokwe, the nurse now all doors and provoking them. And they provoking their verbally, a bit, physically assaulted. Now, what kind of care? Only, I hope the papa watching.
Oh, watching.
Watching, cry. Better watch the pa. Wasn't from the queen.
You got the Ghanaian Times and pay. Now, story building be picture me that has say.
I'm telling you.
Story building, I slanted story building because half for Nastani and I for
architecture. I want to say slanted story architecture now, but 20-year-old. It's always now, Obiara draw attention. Charlie, this. 70-year-old building. But my catch on there, means originally drawings are where they won't face the need not. And them not see another was sick to baby neighbor could also Charlie more cash can see and saw the then I don't also cash with no cash or it's so unfortunate. But Yamila my way. What's
the 15 more to go? There's 15 more of such story buildings. as a so
I mean now we are both can 15 yeah day by the end of the day now 15 na wobuna. Okay. Me sure there's somebody behind somebody somewhere
is going to pay money.
I'm telling you la.
It's going to pay money. Last no major.
You need to pay your baba for Marco. Some baby anti gift no no katin wa ko.
Edika de na ebeka. Ya na ebeka yanka ho na beka. Your own face, your own voice. Prank calls fake flood videos disrupting rescue efforts, according to Greater Accra Regional Coordinating Council. And now, say, videos are fake, flood videos are fake, almost circulating on internet and so. And now, about this answer, say, meeting office, me say baby we are flood video no say baby we are flood. Now my friend, coordinating council paying for I has a flood on not move for more na mo mehwe obedu ona hwe ni ho meanwhile bia na baby e flood seriously na enwa amomu dwumade no enkoso yie se ne omo pe no san se obi nso timi estin fe na wafafo na fresh baby flood o ko na baby an flood nothing is happening there aba ne sa na enwa eno ne asema yesi wo Greater Accra me sure say ya yeti yi ye meka ye de enti no if he say it's not happening in Central Region, okay. No ne ensema medical can Jubilee oil processing on one
they break assembly shahone ono so mukotwe pui what's the cabinet shake up looms ministers CEOs face performance review.
I no pay me.
What do I replace?
Me who a news.
Replace that. What for what? Okay, say eba office ha. It's how many months? About the ne to my ye. To waka se ka wa asem chale. Nti onye obi na okra waka se nti yen hwe. About the ne to achieve whilst a office for this long. Ne about the feel they nya able to achieve a future. Ne what challenges, difficulties
are. What do you want to see yourself 5 years from now?
Say your papa no e ke be someone for about no over car for ho njenwa. See enko pardon ke be so one kasa kan wa asam. You understand? Then you really wonder whether you deserve that position, whether you are playing that leadership role. O say the maybe record ministers be na CEOs be o ha nyama record actually Esha onkoye okay there was more permanent to do our minister AFIBA they won't perform into move forward
but anope me say news outlets we are from NDC or say the NDC party or say we should disregard any form of news where said there's a racial vote. So right now, I mean, who the obi almost yes. Maybe more cases.
Why? Or your wage paza? What more post no today or your win jet? That's not
I don't even.
If you're not performing, you are moved.
You have to be moved.
Yes.
The president's not
say performance. I think no what should they want Ghana for? They be rate one day as no queer, non queer. Into say you lead and say a minister, a CEO, and your monk, or the way you feel. On your phone, you win just I never not if you are not Debbie, it's not like that. But the other thing that I would want to comment on ye succession plan, NDC says I work I'm so the count.
Uncle because too premature. Yeah, but I think the earlier the better so. Ana ye sha say ye preparations na ntama e na beboa ana say be trend
na membu onkoye sa membu no koye ya na se epede awu na ezaza onu amaka 2 weeks mpo na eba onam da membu no koye nti ebe za 2 weeks na bo to amon
okay
na suppose we using the time to fight for position ambirundu ya na hona na onfa ne nyansan onfomfo anta wori ye nechi hona na onfa ne yimdi onfomfo echi onfom kodum ma nzama nkoye na ubezaze nchehu then we see that one kasa e will be a hidden agenda enti wanda me wo mi monkoye so koye ya eba enkasa pi ye wato ama wo nzama koye that's my take
no ye nto asokra na okay Yanko daily guide anope. Now President Mahama bars ministers, CEOs from private awards. Ministers and CEOs, which is a public ministers and public CEOs. They are appointed as CEO of a place. For example, CEO of Kolebu, for example, teaching hospital, na making CEO of NLA, and as a BBC, public positions, no, Munina, I say, Finelco, Moon, pray for private award scheme, private body, we are by no per se, on your award, person award, Ubia, warrior, BB, we a public figure, your public CEO, minister, on count. And for don't nominate yourself. Thank you very much. Suspended CAT CEO begs striking doctors to resume work. CEO of Kolebu Teaching Hospital now to say yes, on continue no. On why so pa nurses and doctors now moko strike omo two say go from a pomo cha say or some mo sanso enko back no mo nko ye adwuma. If
the all kind of serious, another.
This one, you never know. You just never know.
I think so. Or can para or can but the truth is that all can even though we man. Yeah, you cost strike no I can view, but I can for good face. It's good that he's come out this way because they can help deliver as non let's walk or strike. You can imagine what's about to walk. Now, if you're not careful, then it's going to spread. That is my fear. It's going to spread. It's not only a Kumasi, or it's not going to be only Accra, but all health professional workers. Was all which my hair. In so now, I think is preventing that from happening. And my healthcare, no. But it's a sure sign there. One way a moment there as some are working to that leader. No, they all want to register their protest. Move for the crowd. If you are making not to the because maybe that 1 minute.
I'm enjoying myself. Maybe if it's a time. No
daybreak. Or what daybreak paper?
Daybreak newspaper.
Because the Ghana to fight Galamsey through cooperative mining. I don't want to talk. But let me.
Should I even talk?
I don't want to comment on it.
What is cooperative mining anyway?
I don't want to comment.
What is that? Ask the one the brofuno. Now somebody bring the so cooperative mining. What is that?
True cooperative mining. What are we talking about? Look, if you can't put your foot down to say no galamsey, I think all forms of mining, surface mining in Ghana should cease.
Period. As simple as that.